guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you guys how I created this look, and I love this look. This is very easy to create. So if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. So I'll start with the eyes first, and for the base I'm using P. Louise base. Now I'm going to apply it on the right eye. Make sure your base is perfectly blended. And now I'm going to set it with the powder, and I'm using today Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just taking a little bit of it and applying on my lids. Now I'm using the plum kajal pencil to create eyeliner. From my Anastasia Subculture palette, I'm using this color. It's called Rowdy. Now from the same palette, I'm using this color called All Star. Now using the same color this side. Now from my Huda Beauty Remastered palette, I'm going to use this color called Cocoa. Now from the same palette, I'll use this color called Riskier. Now I'm using Anastasia Pro Pencil on my waterline. Under my waterline, I'm using the same plum kajal pencil again. Now I'm applying the same color Rowdy on my lower lash line. I'm going to do my eyebrows now, and for that I'm using Anastasia Brow Powder, and the shade is Ebony. I'm going to apply lashes now, and this is from CS Essential. Before that, I'm going to curl my lashes. For the mascara, I'm using Better Than Sex from Too Faced. I'm going to apply only one coat of it. Now I'm applying the glue on my lashes, and this glue is from Duo and the color is black. I'm placing it right above my original lashes. as you can see, my eyes are done. Now I'm going to do my face. To prime my face, I'm using Benefit Professional Primer. To hide the pigmented areas of my face, I'm using Orange Corrector from LA Girl. So I'm only applying this orange corrector on the problem areas of my face, like under the eyes, around my mouth, and forehead. Now I'm blending everything with the brush. Make sure it should be very well blended, and it's not too much. If you put too much orange corrector on your face will look more orange even after the foundation. So now I'm going to use foundation, and this is from NARS Sheer Glow. So by using this brush, I'm going to spread the foundation on all over my face. Now I'm going to highlight my face, and for that I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium Tan Golden. Make sure everything is very well blended and there are no patches. To contour my face, I'm going to use this palette from MAC. This is Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette, and I'm going to use this darkest shade over here. Now I'm going to contour my nose with the same concealer. And little bit I'm applying around my lips. Now I'm going to set my face with the powder, and I'm using the same powder. To set the contoured areas of my face, I'm using Fenty Beauty contour powder, and the shade is Bhajan Gaya. From the blush, I'm using this peachy color from MAC, and its shade is Peachy Keen. Now I'm going to use the highlighter on the highest points of my face and in the inner corners, and for that I'm using Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia. Now only the lipstick left, and for that I'm going to use this nude shade from Sephora. The number is 23. give little bit of shine to my lips, I'm going to use this liquid lipstick from Smashbox and its name is Mauve Squad. I'm going to apply this with the tip of my finger. And it's done. I'll show you guys the closer look. I hope you guys like this look. This is very easy to recreate, and if you like, please give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and be safe.